going on, people? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. For today's video, we're going to be talking about another stock talk. Stock Netflix. NFLX is its ticker symbol. Let's get into this information because there's a lot to talk about with this stock, and I want to make it short for you guys so you can go out there and make some money ASAP. Okay, so before we actually get into what happened today with the earnings, let's talk about March. March, obviously, with all the other stocks in the market, it dropped down to around $300, okay? And it recovered. And did it ever? It went on the hype train like the rest of the stocks in the market. Chew all the way up to where we are now with highs of 575. Okay, we like that. We liked how it recovered, and we like how it made higher highs, right? With all the other stocks in the market, especially Netflix, people are staying home, new subscribers are coming in, the company is doing great. Okay, now as we zoom in to the 5-day chart, we can see this is the beginning of the week, 575, we're doing great, and boom, the market kind of, I don't want to say crashes, but it pulls down, okay? All the tech stocks are going down, overall market is just low. We've had a rough couple past days, okay? And now earnings came out, boom, it just drops like a tank. And that's two really big double drops that I want you guys to take into caution here, because it dropped once because of the overall market, and it's been staying pretty consistent and consolidating, but yet again has made newer lows because of what happened with its earnings. So let's start out with the reason number one of why this stock went down. It missed its EPS earnings, earnings per share, okay? It was projected to hit $1.81 and only hit $1.59, okay? But there are some positives to this, okay? Revenue is up from $6.08 billion to $6.15 billion, and new subscribers are up to 10.1 million subscribers compared to 8.26 million subscribers last quarter, okay? Now that's a huge jump in both revenue and new subscribers compared to what its EPS earnings show us. So taking what we know about a stock like Netflix, what its future holds for Netflix, and where we are right now with this double drop, it got beat down, like I said, like a dead rabbit, okay? And now we have to find where that low point is, and from there, buy in. Okay, so we did get beat down a lot, right, because of these earnings, and we're basically where we were at the end of June and early July. Now, from where we are right now, we have a lot of upward potential. If we buy in at this very exact moment and hold up until it hits its past high point, we will make up to 20% in gains. That is a lot of money and huge gains that we like to see. Now, yes, we don't really know what the market holds and what's going to happen to Netflix over the next few days, but I can tell you this much. We dropped twice, once because of the actual market itself, and the second time because of its earnings that came out. Now, this just goes to show never to hold through earnings, okay? When we feel confident and we can see a good recovering point in this stock, that is when we're going to jump in. It doesn't matter if we don't hit the lows. This could have been the lowest of the low, okay? We could have missed the lowest point of the stock in the next 20 years from now, but it doesn't matter because we're at least going to get it into a good position and better than if we were going to buy it all the way up here. So taking all the information that I gave you guys and what we know about the stock of Netflix and how we're still technically in a pandemic, okay? We haven't left this and they're still getting new subscribers. Their revenue is still going up. This is still a strong, solid company that you guys should be investing in. And I definitely consider this a long-term position hold. Getting into this now is a great opportunity to make some money into the future. So hopefully you guys see this as a great of an opportunity as I do right now. I'm going to get into this when I start seeing it recovering, okay? Get into it with a good amount of shares, build up from there, and make some good money. Now, I hope you guys learned something from this video. Definitely, like I said, wait for that confirmation point, okay? Wait for it to come back and wait for us to get into this stock. Leave a like in the video if you guys enjoyed and subscribe for more content. I'm going to be posting a lot more often on here, so definitely leave some feedback and new videos that I can be making for you guys. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody.